Hello everybody, I am Pooja Rawat, PGT Computer Science, Kendriya Vidyalaya, CRPF, Nagpur. Today we are studying Python functions. A Python function are the named unit of a program that perform a specific task. This task is performed on the user input. A function may also return some values. So with this definition, you can see a Python function is actually a block that contains some set of statement, and this block will do a particular task. The task completed by a Python function will be based on user input. Sometimes it will be based on user input, sometimes user input not at all required by a Python function. And one very important thing about Python function is that a Python function returns one or more than one values. This is one of the different characteristics of a Python function, that a Python function will return more than one values. Now we will see the advantage of function. Here three advantages are listed. The first one is modular programming. That means a Python function divide a complex program into small parts, and that small parts are known as modules. The second advantage of a function is code reusability. A function can be called any number of times, and this is the reusability of the code. The next advantage of a Python function is easy to debug. Since we have divided the complex program into small parts called modules, so it is easy to debug those small modules rather than the complete program. Now, in the next slide, we are going to study how we can create Python functions. So here I am using PyDroid app of mobile, from which we can be able to develop our Python programs. The syntax for creating a Python function follows like this. It should start with the keyword def, D-E-F. This is the keyword for definition. So here we are using def space. Then we have to give a function name. It is an identifier. Any name for a function we can give, which is followed by parenthesis. Sometimes the parenthesis will be blank, or sometimes it will take some input. It depends on the user choice which kind of function a user wants to create. And at the end we place colon. After that, some set of statements we can write inside the function block. That is statement 1, statement 2, and so on. And at the end, if you want to call this Python function, then you need to just give the function name with parenthesis. This will call your function that you already created. So let's see here an example in the PyDroid screen. a def function is created with def, the function name is shri underscore fun1, that is Shri underscore fun1, open close parenthesis is there and colon is there. After that, as a statement under this function block, here it is written print my first function, and I just don't want to do anything with this function, just want to print this message. So I completed this function, and now the next step is to call this function. So to call this function, we have to give the statement Shri underscore fun1 open close parenthesis. Shri underscore fun1 open close parenthesis. This statement will call the Python function. So now let's see what is the result we will get. Whenever you are executing this program, you will get my first function as a message on the output window. So this is the way by which you can create your function as well as call your functions. Thank you.
हो गया।